I tested the new model, Nano Banana, and it works great with generating product shots with different angles. So if you're running an e-commerce store and you need Instagram shots of your product, this is the tool that you want to use. Let's see how it works. Let's test it and see exactly what it does. All I did is provided two photos. One of the photo was just laid flat of my product, and one of it was just a screenshot with a product on a mannequin. Very easy. So I uploaded to Gemini both photos of my product. And I just said, the two photos attached are my best sellers. These are figure competition suits for figure competitors. Create a 6-image Instagram feed using these two products in variable angles, people, and environment. Wow. This is amazing. There you have it. You don't need any models no longer. There you have it. Beautiful. We can even go further. Add a discrete text with a SKU number for both products. For the yellow suit, the SKU number is 6901A, and for the fuchsia SKU, the number is 5551. This will be easy if you have SKU numbers, and then clients can find it easily, so you can basically just promote the products and they don't have to look through all the product collection. So they can just type in the SKU number and find the product. And there you have it. This is beautiful. This one is a repeat, but wow. Notice that the two images in the center of the yellow suit are the same. Please remove one and use a different setting for the yellow suit. All right. We have it now all redone. It's beautiful. It just put it on a mannequin. It's amazing. Thanks for watching. I hope you get to use the new Gemini model. It is amazing. It can create amazing images, no models needed. So your product can stand out, and it's a great innovation for all of us.